How to use the Schaff Trend Cycle trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Schaff Trend Cycle STC indicator for quick trades. This simple and effective tool, created by Douglas Schaff, helps traders identify trend directions. The STC indicator combines two methods of analysis, MACD and the Stochastic Oscillator, to detect market pivot points more quickly. The first method, MACD, tracks price changes over time, helping you anticipate when the price may start to rise or fall. The second method, Stochastic Oscillator, measures how far the price has moved from its normal range, indicating when significant rises or drops might occur. How to set up the STC on pocket option for quick trades. To configure the STC for quick trades, use the following parameters in the settings. Fast EMA period, 23. Slow EMA period, 50. Stochastic cycle period, 10. The trend cycle is limited to values ranging from 0 to 100. The STC indicator uses two key levels, 25 and 75. Therefore, set the buy threshold at level 25 and the sell threshold at level 75. Open up trades when the market starts an upward movement and the indicator rises above 25. Open down trades when the trend changes to a downtrend and the STC falls below 75. This approach allows you to respond quickly to market shifts and make trades with minimal delay. Use the Schaff Trend Cycle for quick trades, starting with a 5-second time frame. You can learn more about how the MACD indicator works in this video. Try now. Follow the link in the description.